In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Zoho Corporation's website to apply for your next job opportunity. Going through these steps will make your job application process smoother and hopefully lead you to your ideal role. Let's dive right in. Start by heading over to your browser and entering the URL for Zoho, www.zoho.com. Once you're on their homepage, you'll want to locate a specific section called Careers. Scroll to the bottom of the page and you should see a link or menu option labeled Careers. Give that a click and it will take you to Zoho's dedicated Careers page. Once you're at the Careers page, look for a button or link that says View Open Roles. Clicking on this will lead you to a listing of all current job openings available at Zoho. It's an excellent place to start browsing through what's on offer. Next, it's time to choose a job opportunity that matches your skills and career goals. You'll see a range of roles, each with its own title and, usually, a brief description. Take your time to browse through and find a job that piques your interest. Once you've identified a role that suits you, click on it to see more detailed information about the position. When you click on a job listing, you'll be taken to a page with a full job description. Here, it's crucial to read carefully through the job requirements, responsibilities, and any other specifics the company has provided. Understanding the role thoroughly will help you tailor your application and decide if it genuinely aligns with your career path. If, after reviewing it, the job still seems like a great fit, you'll want to express your interest by clicking on the I'm Interested button. This action typically takes you to the application process page where you can begin applying. Now, you'll be asked to fill out the job application. This form might require a variety of information like your basic details, professional background, education, skills, and so on. Fill in each field carefully with accurate information. At this stage, you will likely need to upload your resume. Ensure that you have an updated, polished resume ready with all the pertinent information that highlights your qualifications and experiences relevant to the job. There's usually an upload button on the form. Click on it to select your resume file from your computer. Lastly, after filling out the application and uploading your resume, you'll find a Submit Application button. Review the information one final time to ensure everything is correct, and then go ahead and click it to officially send your application to the recruitment team. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of applying for a job at Zoho Corporation. Following these steps will help you navigate the application process with ease. Good luck, and I hope you find the perfect role for you.